Welcome to 2023, a world surrounded by lines of code. With over 83% of the world's population as smartphone owners, it's no surprise that coding has become an integral part of our daily lives. From texting friends and scrolling through social media, to work and virtual classrooms, coding touches every aspect of our existence. Thanks to the abundance of applications made possible through coding, it's no wonder why you may be considering programming as a career path. In today's video, we dive into the question, is programming still a rewarding career choice? Now, let us unravel the mystery of coding and discover its potential as a career path. Coding, also known as computer programming, is the language that connects us to technology. It's the way we instruct computers to perform a single task or a series of related ones. With computers only capable of understanding binary code, programming languages were developed to translate human commands into machine-readable code. Whether it's creating websites, applications, or any other computer program, coding skills are in high demand for the development of the technologies that have become a staple in our daily lives. With plenty of programming languages available, it can be overwhelming to choose one to learn. But fear not. Python and JavaScript are the most widely used and in-demand programming languages in the industry, making them the top choices for newcomers. So, if you're interested in the career in software programming, consider making Python or JavaScript your first language. In recent news, it's been said that the world will see a staggering 45 million software engineers by 2030, according to Forbes. Get ready for the coding revolution. The demand for coders is on the rise, and with it comes a plethora of new coding professions emerging every year. With senior programmers retiring and new technologies continuously emerging, the need for skilled computer programmers is higher than ever. Computer programming jobs are a top pick among technology careers, with US News ranking them 11th. The unemployment rate for programmers is low, at only 2.7%, lower than the national average. With front-end development, software engineering, and specialized positions like web development, mobile development, and game development, all heavily relying on programming. The future is bright for those with coding skills. But with opportunity comes challenges. As specialization becomes increasingly crucial, the world will need more computer programmers to meet the demand in software engineering and other specialized fields. So, if you're ready for the challenge and eager to join the growing field of computer programming, the time is now. Computer programming offers an exciting career path for tech-savvy individuals who love learning new coding languages and solving complex technical problems. With strong problem-solving and critical thinking skills, you can find satisfaction and fulfillment in your work. And if stability is important to you, programming offers a solid salary and regular office hours. Plus, with the constantly evolving tech industry, there's always a new challenge and opportunity for growth. The earning potential in software development is impressive. A six-figure salary is possible straight out of high school, and the average computer programmer earns $89,000 per year. Education, skills, and experience play a role in determining your salary, and obtaining certifications and expertise in multiple coding languages can lead to higher pay and better job opportunities, especially with larger organizations. A degree in computer science or a related field like mathematics can increase your chances of landing a job as a computer programmer. However, self-taught coders from diverse backgrounds have also achieved success in the industry. A bachelor's degree is not mandatory, but effort and practice are key to success. Your coding skills can open doors to various career paths, including web development, game development, automation programming, database engineering, mobile app development, business intelligence analysis, data analysis, software engineering, and more. To boost your chances of getting hired, it's essential to practice coding, take part in projects or internships, compete in coding contests and hackathons, and add certifications and experience to your portfolio. Keep your desired job titles in mind and tailor your education to acquire the necessary skills in today's digital world. Coding literacy is increasingly in demand across various industries and touchpoints of daily life. Like with all careers, there are challenges that you would come across. Embark on a fulfilling career as a computer programmer without the need for a master's degree. Start your journey by enrolling in a bootcamp after high school and actively seeking full-time work. Though coding can be challenging at times, with hours of trial and error and debugging, the reward is worth it. The beauty of computer programming lies in the constant opportunity for growth and learning. If you love problem solving and finding solutions, then programming can be a highly enjoyable and satisfying career choice. Coming back to the main question, is coding a great career choice? It all comes down to your goals. Do you want a high-paying job with a manageable workload, or one that doubles as a hobby? If you have a passion for learning and a curious mind, coding might just be the perfect fit. With the ability to drive societal progress and have your work recognized and appreciated, coding could be the ideal career choice for those looking to turn their passion into a fulfilling and rewarding job. To wrap it up, the demand for developers will only grow as technology continues to shape our world and make life easier. With entry-level positions constantly opening up and senior programmers retiring, there's always room for growth in the field. The rise of new technologies also creates a need for skilled programmers to develop and manage them, making expertise a valuable asset in the job market. Hiring a full-stack developer who can handle all aspects of an operation is more cost-effective than hiring several individuals with limited skills. The demand for these all-rounded coders is sky high. So, there you have it. That's all you need to know about programming as a top career choice in 2023. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Give tips to others considering a career in software engineering. If you are considering this career path for yourself, then it's best to be sure that it aligns with your interests and skills, as well as your long-term goals and aspirations. Check out one of our related videos about 5 reasons why you shouldn't become a software engineer. And do some more reflection. Remember to hit subscribe and stay tuned. Until then, farewell.